Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside the XGIMI MoGo 2 Plus portable projector. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say they're interested in getting the XGIMI MoGo 2 Plus projector. What does that actually include? So the first things first, you got the actual unit itself. So this is the XGIMI projector. Next, you've got the remote control. So this is what it looks like. It also includes two AAA batteries, which are included inside of the remote. And then this part right here, this is going to be the AC power adapter and as well as the user manual. So it is going to be powered by Type-C cable, which is included. And of course you have the housing unit, but that's pretty much it though. So it's pretty easy. Inside the speaker, it's also got the actual projector and it's also got built-in speakers as well. So two built-in speakers. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to explain what's inside of the XGIMI MoGo 2 Plus portable projector. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.